When I was originally looking at this driveway, I knew it would be easier to wait until it was dry. However, it would take weeks of sunshine to dry it out, and that rarely happens here in Louisiana. Even though most contractors wouldn't touch the job, I accepted the challenge. To get this driveway ready, I need to pump out as much of this water as possible. This little 12-volt pump can get the water level down to 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to use my hand to dig a hole and direct the water towards the pump. Now I can remove the mud from the area. The material that I muck out is getting piled up and reused in the yard after it dries out. I'm also increasing the size of this area and leveling it out to add some additional parking. With all the wet material removed, I'm ripping up the original driveway and redistributing that material to make a solid foundation. I also need to muck out this area at the front of the driveway. Generally, I'm able to rip up the original driveway and redistribute the material, but this is compacted hard as concrete. Once the hole is backfilled, I am ready for new aggregate. The aggregate that we have chosen is crushed concrete. I really like crushed concrete because it is an angular aggregate, much like limestone, so it locks together really well. This crushed concrete is 610 grade, so the largest rocks are 3/4 of an inch and smaller, and it has a lot of powder in it. Once it rains, this stuff hardens up like actual concrete. The area that I'm adding this crushed concrete to right now is the additional parking that we've added to this driveway. Now I'm spreading some crushed concrete on the original section of the driveway. If I distribute this material evenly, it will make the final grading process more efficient. I really thought this small country road wouldn't have much traffic. Boy, was I wrong. There's been a constant stream of 18-wheelers and dump trucks driving by all day. And now, there's a Home Depot shed waiting for me to move my truck so he can get by. So let me go move my truck and I'll be right back.
Yeah, I can't even go full. Yeah, I'm gonna move my trucks.
I saved the last bit of the pile for this area by the house and carport. Once this is spread, I can start the final grading with the land plane. This is the land plane. Some people call it a bionic blade. It does a fantastic job spreading the gravel and getting a really nice finish. Even though this job was a little more complex because of the water situation, we were still able to get it done and have a fantastic result at the end. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.